in a style that aims to capture the essence and majesty of Psalm 13, reformulated poetically. How long, O Lord, will you forget me forever? How long will you hide your face from me? How long must I wrestle with my thoughts, and every day have sorrow in my heart? How long will my enemy triumph over me? Look on me and answer, O Lord my God. Give light to my eyes, lest I sleep in death, lest my enemies say, I have overcome him, and my foes rejoice when I fall. But I trust in your unfailing love. My heart rejoices in your salvation. I will sing to the Lord, for he has been good to me. In the shadow of despair, I call to you. In the silence of my soul, I seek your light. Though darkness surrounds me, I hold to your promise, for in your mercy I find my peace, and in your love my hope endures.